Winnipeg and parts of southern Manitoba were hit by a downpour of heavy rains over the weekend, causing overland flooding, power outages, flooded streets, and left hundreds of homeowners scrambling to stop water from seeping into their basements. Emerson, Manitoba was one of the hardest hit areas and had to declare a state of emergency after receiving more than 4 inches of rain in a matter of hours. The Red River rose significantly over the weekend and forced the province to open the floodway gates to handle the surge of water. Some ditches couldn't handle the excess water, and Omans Creek near Polo Park looked like it was ready to burst at the banks. 15-year-old Brendan Clark spent the afternoon floating on an inflatable mattress on Autumnwood Drive, which was flooded with 2 feet of water. Some events, such as the 24th annual Teddy Bears Picnic and CBC Hockey Night in Canada's Play On Street Hockey Tournament, still went on despite the very wet weather. Garbage dumpsters in many areas of the city were overflowing with personal property that was damaged in the floods. The city warns, however, that high river levels will keep the basement flood risk high, since excess river water reduces the capacity of the sewer system. For the Winnipeg Sun, I'm Rich Pope.